If you are suffering from malabsorption and you're not allergic to eggs, listen up. Hey, it's Dr. Tucker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and one of the supplements that I suggest for my patients after surgery, especially those who are not able to tolerate a large amount of solid food in particular, is a liquid supplement that is sourced out of California called Egg Whites International. It is a sterile, pasteurized, liquid egg white protein supplement. It does not have any of the inflammatory markers in the natural egg substance. It is purely albumin at that point in time. It contains all 20 amino acids. It's easy to dose. It's designed to be drunk as a liquid, and it is easily absorbed. And so if you are struggling to get enough protein in your life, you're not allergic to eggs, then I highly suggest that supplement. The owner of the company, his name is Mac. And if you will email that company and tell them Dr. Tucker sent you, he'll explain everything to you, how the stuff works, how they process it. He might even give you a t-shirt or something. Super nice guy. Everything you're about to see on this video is a combination of my 40 years of study of the published literature, as well as 30 years worth of patient contact as a colorectal surgeon. I'm not here to diagnose or treat anyone. I'm here for educational purposes only, because no manner of brains is worth a good set of bells.